Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So if you want to change the watch face on your watch, first you will need to open the settings, and to do that wake up the screen on your watch by pressing any of the buttons and then press the back button right here to open the menu. Now scroll through this menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called watch face, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we can customize our watch face. To do it, we can choose the layout, so scroll through the list of layouts and find the one that you are interested in. Then tap on the check mark. Then we have the background. We can choose the background or select the background. Find the one you like and tap on the check mark. Then we have the color theme. Next we have the data, so we can choose what type of data will be on the watch face. So let's scroll up and tap on the plus. Find the type of data you want. For example, I will add steps and maybe battery life. So let's find the battery. Okay. And then you can swipe up on the screen, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch face will be applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.